Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your PS5 joystick to an iPhone. Before we start, make sure your DualSense controller has enough battery life, perhaps at least one half full, so it doesn't power off during the process. Also, confirm your iPhone is running iOS 14.5 or higher. This ensures compatibility. Having these preparations complete will make the connection smooth and quick. Now, let's put your DualSense controller into pairing mode. You'll need to press and hold two buttons at the same time. The PlayStation button, located between the two analog sticks, and the small Create button, found on the upper left side of the touchpad. Keep holding them for about 3 to 5 seconds until you see the light bar around the touchpad flashing quickly. This quick flash means your controller is actively looking for a device to connect with. Next, we'll navigate to your iPhone settings. Unlock your iPhone and find the Settings application, which is represented by a gray gear icon. Tap on it, then locate and tap Bluetooth from the list of options. Verify that the Bluetooth toggle switch is in the on position, usually indicated by a green color. Your iPhone needs Bluetooth enabled to detect the DualSense controller. On your iPhone's Bluetooth screen, you should now see DualSense wireless controller appear under the Other Devices section. Tap on this name to begin the pairing process. It usually connects within a few seconds. Once paired, the light bar on your DualSense controller will stop flashing and display a solid color, often blue or orange, confirming a successful connection. Your controller is now ready to use with your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.